Start the week with our quick business tips and advice. This week's idea is experiential posts. Experiential posts or personal stories are posts that help audiences connect with the personal life of the author. You can engage your audience with personal stories and build emotional attachment by sharing relatable stories, thereby gaining their attention for a longer time. For example, sharing your struggle of overcoming a disorder can be a good way to connect with your audience on a more personal level. Other examples could be sharing professional struggles, happy memories on a trip, enjoyable moments from attending a cultural event, etc. Depending on your story, you can attract traffic based on your headline alone. For instance, if you come across a heading that says "How I left my cushy job to earn $1 million a year," the chances are that you'll feel inclined to read it further. Follow these tips to write experiential or personal posts. Try to elicit some type of emotion to keep them engaged. Begin by sketching the problem you're sharing. Mention a key takeaway point. Sketch a vivid scene by sharing pictures and specific details. More tips and advice every Monday. Have a good business week.